So today we need to build out this overhang. We've got like basically a 6-inch overhang, and in the hot, humid South, we like a bigger overhang, not only for sun and shade, but also for storms. Obviously, it protects the building better, and we just think it's more aesthetically pleasing. So that small overhang just doesn't look very good to us. We have large overhangs over here, 24-inch overhangs actually, but these are the eaves, not the gables. The gables, we like a nice 16-inch overhang, so that's what we're going to give him, or that's what we're going to shoot for. So follow along as we take this old addition and add an overhang onto it.
Need a hammer?
Nope, I got one up here.
All right.
I gotta get these nails right here.
Stuck, ain't they?
All right, here's your another one.
All right.
Let me get it to you.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, asbestos.
Come to the side here. Behind
Yeah, I got you. I got you. I see it.
We're gonna get that out of there.
Yep.
I figured we'll have to just cut that end off.
Right.
Because our new one's got to go out.
Right. Recip.
Yeah.
So this is what we've got right now. Tore all that out. Now, this overhanging decking, we're going to use that to our advantage. We got to get all those nails out of there though. Quite a few nails. Popped out the gable end vent. We won't be using that anymore because we're using a ridge vent. Yeah, we're looking good. Best way to get rid of nails, am I right?
Yes, so.
Mm-hmm. All right, so we've got to put on our subfascia on this eave before we can start building out this overhang. So we've got to rip it down though. It's a little bit too wide for our liking. We want to try to match the other overhangs, not that one necessarily, but this one. So we've got to rip this down a little bit, the subfascia. We love this Craig rip cut. This thing is awesome, and this is my preferred circular saw too. I have the rear handle style from Flex, 7 1/4, and I have the inline, but this one, the Sidewinder 7 1/4, is my favorite. It's very comfortable, tons of power. It's the one that I prefer. Like a boss.
That's behind you.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, you go ahead and get your intro.
Yeah, I was planning on it.
Hang on. Now, I'm not going to pull this all the way up. I want you to get straight
Right.
where you are. Oh, we got to push up on the bottom. I see. That's not too bad.
Hey, come this way. Come this way about an inch or two. There you go. Now we're dead flat against the deck up here.
We are. are? Good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you're gonna come on down. This one is, oh, there's why. That one's
That one's jacked up.
That one.
Yep.
Very good. I don't know if the nails would have held in them anyway.
Oh, no. Screws.
Okay.
Let me.
I'm not even have to rip this off. We're just gonna put that new piece on there. That'll be fine. Yeah.
Hey, I like that. I like that.
That's looking good, Aaron.
Yep. Let me get over here on this stool.
I don't push you up anymore, not.
Beautiful, man.
See, this one's perfect. This one's perfect.
Right.
This one's perfect.
Great. Nice and straight.
Yep, I think so.
Come down just a hair. Whoa. Up just a hair. Right there.
Okay, now do this one. I'm gonna push it up a little. All right, right there. Very good. That's got it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that don't look bad. That don't look bad. That's gonna do this, man. Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely.
Yeah, man.
Yep. It's good.
Yeah, you like it? All right, so this is what we have made for our overhang. This is a 1x4, and on the other side it's a 1x4 as well. And we've got 2x4s connecting those together to create basically a ladder. This will allow us to attach it to the side. Now we've already got one side done, but this is really, really stiff, creates a nice overhang. So we'll show you how this is done. I got this in.
Get up.
It's a beautiful fit. There's the top attached. There goes my bit. There we go. I got it. There we go. Okay.
How's it look?
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Good. We can always put more in it.
Yep. Oh, that's fantastic.
Good.
Okay, let me come down and fasten some more of those, eh?
Yeah, I would.
Grabbing the wrong size screw.
Good.
Yep.
All right, man.
Very nice.
Very wonderful, good. Very wonderful, good. Can we get one here now?
Yep.
Okay. are up there solid now.
Very nice.
It's gonna be great. Yep, that looks good. Yep.
Well, here we are, we're put together. You can kind of see what we're gonna detail on this other overhang, but basically I drove fasteners down through this overhanging decking into our ladder, and it is incredibly solid. I also used a 2-foot level just to make sure the overhang doesn't have any sag, and it is on the money, perfect. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to install these catcher boards, or cleats if you want to call them. So right there you can kind of see what we're gonna have. So now I can fasten the rest of the overhanging decking onto this cleat, and then also install what's going to be the rest of the decking. I'll show you what that looks like right here. So this is just a 1x6, it's actually a 1x8 running up this eave to match the thickness of the rest of the decking. So you'll see we'll do the same thing here. We'll just put us a 1x6 right here, and we'll call it a day. It's very, very stiff though. I mean, it is solid as a rock. You could get up there and bounce around on it the way we've done it. So, and we've used all screws except for fastening this decking down. We went ahead and used nails for that. Obviously for this, I'm gonna have to fasten this with screws, but it's gonna work out pretty well. So now I'm just fastening this new decking, if you will. So we've got this ripped to width, and this matches the thickness of our old decking. So it's gonna turn out really nice. So I'm just using screws on all of this just because I want everything drawn tight together. Find me some more fasteners.
These just come out of ours.
Yeah.
We'll just have to.
Yeah, I have to get some more.
Reimburse.
Yeah. Okay, so here's my blocking. I'm gonna try to center that. Looks like I'm gonna have to pound it in.
I can cut it off.
Perfect. It'll be fine. I'm gonna try to split the difference there and go ahead and fasten it. And that drew that tight right there. Now we got another one here to do. And let's put one in the center. Now we give us something to attach the other decking to. Here's my next piece, eh? Okay. Stick that up there. Actually, let me go ahead and get a couple screws started. Yeah, there we go. How about that? How about that? Might be too close there. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to pound that one as well. Let's make sure I'm centered here. Yep. Yep, coming up. Next one, we're talking 14, and I'll make it 14 1/4, be fine. Okay, now that we've got our catcher block and we've got this decking on, I'm gonna blow some nails right through there. But it's like I need to set the depth. You there? Now we're attaching our decking to the cleat. I'll show you what it looks like underneath. Yeah, you can see a couple nails pop through. So, make it nice and sturdy. There we are. Ooh, there's a nail sticking out. Yikes. Okay, so now our existing decking is attached to our cleat underneath, and the roof is one. It has been bonded together. Isn't that beautiful? Now, we need some protection here. So, that's where our little staple gun and some synthetic felt comes in. Ooh, I'm gonna need a knife, okay?
I got you right here.
I do not have one. So I want to protect what's exposed here. I'm gonna go ahead and, I guess, go down that far, eh?
You can pull it up a little bit.
All right there, eh?
Anywhere there's good.
All right. Let me get this tacked real quick. All right. Right there. Okay. Let me cut that off. Yep, I see it. Okay.
All right, so that's how we like to extend our gable overhangs. We create that ladder system and it creates a nice, sturdy, solid deck that we're tying into. The roof is just continuous and we know it's not gonna sag over time because of the way we built it. So if you like the video, like and subscribe. More to come soon. Take you around here just for a quick peek. You can see that these eaves actually have a small overhang as well, so we're going to have to extend these out. But there's also a nice big gable that we're going to have to build more ladder systems, if you will, on the gable. So more to come soon. Hopefully you like the video.